Character AI have changed again. If you are recently open to Character AI and notice age verification prompts, stricter restrictions, or wonder whether Character AI is becoming safer or more limited, you are not alone. In this video, I will explain the current state of Character.AI or Character AI, what the new age verification system means, who it affects, and what users should be expecting moving forward. Let's get into it. Character AI quickly become one of the most popular AI chatbot platforms on the internet. Millions of users flock to it for roleplay, storytelling, companionship, and creative conversation. But as its popularity grew, so did concerns about user safety, especially for young audience. That's where the age verification entered the picture. Here, we'll break it in sections for clear understanding. The first section is why Character AI introduced age verification. Over the past years, Character AI has faced increased security regarding how minors interact with the AI chatbots. Critics argue that the young users could access conversations that weren't appropriate for their age, while others wondered about emotional dependency on the AI companies. In response, Character AI began introducing strong security guards. One of the biggest changes was the age verification. The goal is to better separate experience for adults and young users, enforcing age-based restriction and compliance with the evolving safety expectation in the tech industry. Now, section 2. What is Character AI age verification? Age verification is a process used to confirm whether a user meets the minimum average age requirement for the certain features or experiences. Depending on your region and account activity, you may be asked to provide your date of birth. Once verified, your account experience may differ based on your age group. For example, certain characters or interaction may be limited, safe filters may become stricter, some features may be unavailable to young users, adult users may receive different experience for team accounts. It is important to notice that this system can evolve over the time as Character AI updates its policy. Now, section 3. What users are saying. The community response has been mixed. Some users support age verification because they believe it makes the platform safer. Others feel frustrated by increasing restrictions and changes to the experience they originally enjoyed. Many users are asking questions like, will Character AI become too restricted? Will older accounts become affected? Can I still use my favorite characters? The reality is that Character AI is trying to balance creativity, safety, and regulatory experience all at once. And that is not an easy task. And section 4, here we clear things up. What this means for future of Character AI. Age verification may be just the beginning. As AI platforms continues to grow, more companies are expected to adapt stronger security systems. This includes improved parental control, more transparent moderation policy, separate experience for different age groups, additional identifying or age check in certain regions. Character AI's future will likely depend on how well it maintains users' trust while delivering engaging AI experiences. Now, section 5. What users should do. If you are a Character AI user, make sure the information on your account is accurate. Read any updated policy or notice that appears in the app. Understand that the features may vary depending on the age and location. And most importantly, use AI responsibly and maintain healthy boundaries with the chatbot interaction. So that is the current state of Character AI and its age verification system. Do you think these changes improve safety or do they limit the platform too much? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more Character AI tutorials, updates on AI, and also helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.